Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abu Abeera and I am online Quran teacher. In previous lesson, I discussed about definition of makhraj. And in this video, I'm going to explain some of them makharij. But before that, I want to tell you about the amount of makharij. How many makharij are there? So remember, there are 17 makharij, different types of makharij. So I'm going to explain the halqiya makharij. Halq means throat. So I'm going to explain halqiya makharij that is covered up to 6 letters. It means these 6 letters pronounced using your throat. So there are 3 types of throat: bottom part, middle part, and first part of the throat. So these 6 letters, 2 by 2, pronounced from bottom, middle, and first. So Hamza and Ha, first 2 letters, Hamza and Ha, pronounced from bottom part of the throat. You should put your finger on your bottom part and try to say Hamza, Ha, Hamza, Ha, Hamza, Ha. So that is place for pronounce Hamza and Ha letters. And the second 2 letter is Ain and Ha. Ain and Ha. Ain and Ha pronounced from middle part of the throat. Middle part. You should put your finger on the middle part and try to say Ain Ha. Ain Ha. Ain Ha. That's it. Okay, well done, guys. So next 2 letters is Ghain and Ha. So Ghain and Ha pronounced from the first part of the throat. Ha, Ghain. Put your finger on the first part and try to say Ghain Ha. Ghain Ha. Ghain Ha. That's easy, guys. If you're doing practice on this time to time, day by day, again and again, you will be able to say every single letters from their correct makhraj. So that's easy, but you should practice. You should understand. You should recognize the makharij of that letters. Like Hamza and Ha pronounced from bottom part, Ain and Ha pronounced from middle part, and Ghain and Ha pronounced from first part of the throat. I hope you understand makharij of these 6 letters. So these 6 letters pronounced from only one makhraj. That name is halqi makhraj. So I hope to understand this lesson. It's enough for today. We will continue in the next video. I'm Abu Abeera. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.